Are you getting your ads rejected and don't know why? Then this tool is for you. Loopholes AI will check your ads for any potential policy issues so you can publish your ads with confidence. Loopholes AI scans your ad text in real time and gives recommendations to avoid the risk of getting your ads rejected or your ad account blocked. Here's an example of how Loopholes AI scans an ad on Facebook for a marketing agency promoting one of their clients' sleep aid. You can see how the AI is identifying two issues. The first is a potential policy issue, and the other is a grammar mistake. Loopholes not only gives you real-time feedback, but will also give recommendations on how to fix them. Now the advertiser can correct their ad copy based on the feedback they received, so their ad will be compliant and won't get rejected. The advertiser will now run the Loopholes AI again to confirm their ad is compliant before publishing it. Stop wasting valuable time and start using the world's first AI ads, Policy Checker and Editor. Download Loopholes AI for free today.